Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, Cheap Johns Creek Local, and long distance movers near me. Are you planning to move from Johns Creek to another state or country? We are here to ensure that your moving process is streamlined and does nor have any hiccups. We have a remarkable customer service reputation as both long-distance movers and local movers in Johns Creek. Over the years, we have adopted modern and professional techniques to ensure the process is smooth. Our primary services include packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. If you plan to move within Johns Creek, we have got you covered in the moving process. Our reputation precedes us, and numerous positive reviews prove that we are a professional Georgia moving company. We have experience in handling different materials and packing your items securely. Our local moving process is quite streamlined, and you will be able to settle in your new home within hours. We properly plan each move, and our trained movers efficiently handle any problems which may arise. You will expect timely pickup of items and delivery to your new home. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Johns Creek moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.